everybody, so now we've arrived to our second floor and this is how the view looks like. We're currently in the lounge. Now, I personally myself, I love the second floor lounge for a couple of reasons, and I'm going to show you why in a second. First of all is definitely the atmosphere. I do like that it's very big. I do admit that the windows are not very big. They're not as long as the one I showed you on the 5th floor, but I personally like the lounge like this, something that's more smaller, more peaceful, and more simple. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is the view. You can get a very closer view of the car park, especially if you have a car, you can, technically look at it. This view is a very nice view, especially if someone's coming from university, they're coming to College Quarter. Very good view of how you can see a person coming. And of course a person going. From the bottom over here, it's a little bit weird, but you can technically look at your mailbox, the TV, and you can get a very nice detective view of anyone who's coming and going. So I'm loving it. I love this lounge. And you have like nice sofas, good tables of different shapes and sizes. And yeah, from here as well, you can look at anybody who's entering and who's leaving. So if you're a person who likes to have a better view of people, I think this is a great lounge. But myself, I don't like it for this purpose. I like it because it's very small, very concise, and the sofa qualities are something which is much more comfortable. So if you ever live in CQ, like College Quarter, I definitely advise you to come here to this lounge because it's amazing. And yeah, so we're going to turn off the light before I leave, and then we're going to be heading towards our first floor. Okay, everybody, we finally reached the ground floor. This should be the floor that I should have shown you at the very start, but I went from the top to the bottom, so I really hope you guys didn't mind about that. So I'm going to show you how the view looks like of College Quarter from the ground floor itself, and I personally believe it's much more bigger compared to Seeger Wheeler, and it's much more nicer, so let's get started. Basically, when you enter, as soon as you enter, you're going to see an RA office. This is an RA office. Technically, if you're getting any mails in the middle of the night or anything, the RA, would handle it. However, I do want to mention that, they don't really handle all the mails. Their job is like if someone gets locked out of their room, they would help you with that. So when you come here, you will understand the overall concept. This is basically some information of protective services. This is the RA team. Now, this is the mailbox. So, you can put in your keys and you can get in your letters. A nice sitting spot here as well. A nice little TV. This one is a parcel locker for Canadian Post. And it's very important for you to return your Canada Post parcel locker keys. Now again, when you live in CQ, you will have a better idea of this, so I'm not going to go through the logistics of that. Now again, from the top, you could see the second floor lounge that I've shown you. And yeah, this was basically how CQ looks like, the overall logistics and the overall understanding of it. Again, as soon as you enter, you would see a lift, and then that will take you to different types of floors. And yeah. Okay, everybody, so I really hope that you found this video very, very helpful. I've tried my very best to go over different floors and different sort of logistics. Again, the idea was to create a resource so that people who are deciding on their residence would have a better idea. It is definitely very cold outside, so making this video was a very tough job. So I really do appreciate if you could like and subscribe my YouTube channel, give a comment on what you thought about this video, and let me know if you want me to create any more videos as such. Until then, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!